Meaning of gunnery sergeant.
Gunnery sergeant.
Gunnery sergeant.
Gunnery sergeant.
Gunnery sergeant. Gunnery sergeant is a military rank in several branches of the armed forces. Generally, it is a position of leadership that requires a great deal of experience and expertise in a specific field. Gunnery sergeants typically serve as advisors to commissioned officers and are responsible for the training and performance of junior enlisted personnel. They may also be tasked with overseeing critical projects or assignments. Overall, the rank of gunnery sergeant carries significant responsibility and is a respected position within the military hierarchy, often requiring years of dedicated service and exceptional job performance to attain.